Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 24th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So I am recording this especially today on Saturday. I still acted as if we were yesterday evening. I had some problems with my software. This is a web software, basically, a web application, and they are not as stable as a good old desktop application. Anyway, so let's do this today. So Tesla was up $20.75 yesterday, up 2.75%. That's a lot. We closed at 774.39. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So it appeared at the beginning of the day that we would be maybe going down because we opened right here. We opened at 745, so it looked like we were really going to cave. In fact, we did cave into that resistance, but not for long. We caved in for less than an hour because within an hour, we were already up to the resistance. Go see this on the hourly chart. So this is the first hour here, the big green candle. So we opened right here and were pushed up right smack on that resistance. So this is confirming that this is really a resistance that is important. Then the second hour, we started at that resistance and then went up, but then were squished down. So there was some uncertainty or some selling pressure here at this point. But then after that, it was just like a home run. Green, 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 green. All of the indicators on the hourly chart obviously are all positive and great. Let's go back to the daily chart. So now stochastic is at 99, super high. RSI, there's only RSI that is a little bit strange because since the beginning of August, the strength of the stock, because RSI is the relative strength index, it's calculating the strength of the stock. So the strength of the stock has not changed much. You know, it stayed pretty much still, whereas the stock made higher highs. So even though the stock is making higher highs, the stock is not really stronger than it was around August. So this is just something that we need to keep in mind. It does not mean that it's going to go down tomorrow, because if it did, it would have done at the end of August here when we went higher here and where the RSI was just a little bit stronger. So let's just keep that in mind. MACD is still bearish because it does not take one candle to make a trend. And DMI has turned bullish a couple of days ago. So Tesla is really strong when you stay upwards close to the resistance of a channel or close to a resistance. It means that the stock is really strong because since May of this year, the stock has been going up and down, and when it's up, it's not staying that much up. Here it stayed for 5 days and then came back. Here it stayed for a little bit longer, came back. Here it stayed for a little while, started to go down, and now it's going up again, and it's been a while since it has been touching the support right here. So Tesla is in a pretty strong streak. Does it mean that it can break this resistance right here and maybe go into this second channel? We'll see. I don't know. We just need to keep that in mind. It's possible that it happens. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. If so, you can join me tomorrow, Sunday, when I do my weekly video analysis for Tesla and Palantir to see the longer term technical analysis. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. If not, I'm going to wish you a great weekend, and we are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.